The Government of Kerala, and on my own behalf, let me extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, who is here to inaugurate the Vizhinjam International Seaport Limited, VISL. This is a proud moment for all of us, as the commissioning of this port marks the dawn of a modern era. The Honorable Prime Minister's presence makes this occasion even more special and brings great joy to all of us. It also makes us optimistic about the bright future of this seaport. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ഇതും നേടി.